What's up guys, Simon here with Tech Visibility. Today we are going to go ahead and unbox and review the TrueCapsule by SoundPeats. Now these are available on Amazon for $25.99. This is not the Q series, but I'm excited to see what these are all about. The design of these are actually pretty nice looking. They remind me of an AirPod with the rubber housing for the ear. I'm going to see if these are worth your $25.99 and give you my opinion on their sound quality. If you guys are new to this channel, please check out all of our other earbuds and headphone videos. We've done reviews on a lot of them, and I'm excited to see what these are about. Before I get into this video, please remember to hit the like button for us and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news, reviews, and leaks. I appreciate it. Let's get into this video. Okay, so this is the box for TrueCapsule SoundPeats. Now here you have sound for urban sports. The back of it looks pretty neat. I do want to say that the case on these does actually look really nice from the picture. So let's get the shrink wrap removed and let's see what these are all about. The best part is this part in every video. All right, we got the shrink wrap off. So the box pushes out. You have your sleeve and then a black box here that will open like so. So customer care, I like companies that show customer care right away. It says register your product. They obviously want your information, but they give you a 24-month warranty. Give you a thin little cushion here. Here is the box for the SoundPeats. And they have a moisture bag, which is really nice. It's a pretty nice case, guys. Oh. Feels a little flimsy on first impression, but then you have this little packaging. I assume this is gonna have some charging goodies, more ear connector, rubber ear connections here, and a USB to mini connection, probably about 6 inches or so. The manual is pretty self-explanatory. Let's take a look. So to pair it, you'll take them out of the charging case and they'll go into pairing mode, and it looks like you position them in your ear that way. Pretty cool. Double tap or hold for 2 seconds for a call. Hold for 1.5 seconds is reverse. 3-time tap is a microphone. Play is double tap. Hang up and pick up a call is a double tap like the AirPods. So that's on the left bud. Now on the right bud, press it once to increase the volume. The same kind of scenario. Double tap is answer and hang up. So let's take a look at these guys. So remember, left earbud, right earbud. They ask you to put them in when you first put them in like this and then push them down. They have that Power Beats like sound muffled in your ear, like you sound nasally kind of thing. Here's the AirPod, and if you look at comparison here, they're almost identical in size. The SoundPeats, I mean, these are nearly identical. I would say they're the same size. The only difference is this rubber cushioning, which they give you some different sizes as well. The case itself has the mini USB charge. This flap feels so flimsy to me. It just feels like it's gonna break apart or something thin is holding it. So let's pair these really quick and let's play a song. So I'm gonna go into my Bluetooth setting here, and there they are, the TrueCapsule SoundPeats, and they are connected. I did hear that they're connected, and we're gonna go ahead and play a song. Let's do Rise Up. So I turned the volume down to half. I can't hear anything around me, it's playing, but the sound quality is actually really good. The bass is low on these. So I've played this song on different earbuds and the bass was a lot better. The mids are pretty good, the lows are good. So the bass just kicks in a little bit more. They're pretty good quality, guys. I'm very impressed with the SoundPeats. I would say for $25, these are a hit. Let's play one more song, and let's do a hip hop song in this case. Maybe DMX, rest in peace DMX. So Rough Rider Anthem. And this is hip hop, so oh, bass is good. So the bass, I'm actually surprised. At first I thought it wasn't as good of a bass, but it's pretty good. The mids are good too. All right, $25, I'd buy these headphones. I wish they had transparency mode so I could hear myself talk a little bit. Let's do one quick phone call, and I'm gonna call our office here. Here, I'm making a phone call. Let's see how they sound.
Hey Simon, what's up?
Hey Yuri, it's Simon. I am calling you on the SoundPeats just to see the call quality. I'm doing a review.
All right.
How do I sound?
Sound good. You sound good. Nice and clear.
Good? Nothing, no static or anything? Cool. Well, that's all I needed to know. I appreciate the call and talk to you later.
All right. Thanks. Have a good day.
All right, bye. So overall, the sound quality of these were really good. Battery life. This case gives you 24 hours of battery life. Each of these SoundPeats will last you 4 hours of playtime. Okay, so you got 4 hours on the SoundPeats. They go inside like so to charge. They say you have about 4 to 5 charges on this case for a total of 24 hours. I don't know how that adds up to, I guess initially they're charged for 4 hours. So if you have 5 charges for an additional 4 hours, that's 20 hours and they're already giving you 4 hours for a total of 24. Overall, great for $25. I highly recommend it. Now, I don't like using these for phone calls. Again, I cannot, there's no transparency mode, so it's sounded as if I'm muffled on that call. Great for listening to music, maybe ebooks or anything like that, but not good for phone calls if that's what you're predominantly gonna do. And if you're gonna do phone calls, get the AirPods. I'm charging these guys up. I recently did an unboxing, and check out some of our other unboxing videos of Earbuds and headphones that we've done on this channel. So great $25 item. I would totally buy it. I would give it as a gift. I would use these for listening to music or ebooks. They are excellent. They're not top of the line, but for 25 bucks, I could not tell the difference between a $100 to $150 earbud. Hope you guys like this video of the SoundPeats unboxing and review. They are definitely worth $25. Check them out. The link is below. Comment below if you have them, if you love them. Amazon has over 2,900 reviews on these, and they're pretty much all 5 stars. I feel the same way. And I hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like button for us and subscribe to our channel. Also check out techvisibility.com for the latest product reviews and news. Thank you.